Hi, this is Tim from Allanson. I just wanted to show you briefly how easy it is to replace HO fluorescent lamps with our new SPEEDLamp LED replacement lamp. Basically, it's as simple as taking the power that's coming into the ballast, removing that and putting it directly to the sockets, and then these lamps plug in. Each lamp has its own built-in converter or power supply, so there's no need to wire in separate power supplies. First, you want to make sure the power is off. I've already done that. Taking the power off, then you can remove the lamps. You know, there's a lot of different wire codes out there. You want to make sure you follow your code, so if this needs to be encased, make sure you encase it. So now that this ballast has been taken out, I've got the positive that was coming from the 120. It's running through a switch, and then back here to the two blues. The two blues are feeding the two sockets on this side of the sign. Then the neutral, or the negative, I've just got this one red wire, it's feeding these two. When you rewire this and you have the voltage going directly to the sockets, you want to make sure you align your lamps properly. One end of the lamp has line, the other has neutral. So wherever your positive voltage is going, you want to make sure this L side goes there, and wherever your neutral or your negative is going, you want to make sure you have the N side going to that socket. So then, when you go to plug your speed lamps in, make sure that the N goes in your neutral side, and your line goes in your line side. And we should be ready to go. I'll turn the power back on. Thanks for watching this demonstration. I appreciate you considering SPEEDLamp. Wensco does a wonderful job in stocking all our sizes of speed lamps, so please contact them for your lamp needs. And if you have any questions, you can contact Wensco or Allanson directly. Thanks again for your time.